Hey everybody, welcome to a special edition of Luxury Escapes Bali Live. We are doing a special today on Bali because we've just had so much feedback from our customers around numerous deals that we've got going live, and we thought it'd be a great thing to come to you guys and show you what we've got that's extra special. We've never had so many Bali offers on our site, and they're all at pretty incredible prices, and there's really something for everyone right across the ball. It's a great time to go to Bali right now. It's getting cold here, but it's got an average temperature of 29. I think tomorrow it's 31, so it looks gorgeous. I'd love to be there right now. And joining us, I've got Trent Ellen, who is our wonderful Partnerships and Contracting Manager.
Thank you for having me.
Lovely. And we also have Dan Monk, who is our Global Head of Sales.
Thanks, Emily.
No problem. Lovely.
Or nearly as good as being in Bali.
Yeah. Be nice if we were actually in Bali.
Well, that leads us to our next thing. We're talking about flights and how cheap it is to get to Bali these days. I think you can get a return flight from Perth for about $175, and other capital cities around the country, Melbourne, Sydney, Brisbane, you can get it probably for about under $400 return. So great price to get over there. We've got some incredible offers coming up on the site. So check out luxuryescapes.com to find out some of your Balinese holidays. But Dan, you love Bali, don't you?
I do love Bali. I think Bali for me would ultimately be my second home. There's just so much there on offer from I guess the different experiences you can get in Seminyak, the good food, the nightlife, to that relaxing beach holiday you get over in Nusa Dua, to the I guess the hipster experience in Canggu, which
This is where you hang out, isn't it? Yeah.
I've been there a couple of times.
Tank top. You've got the you have the motorbike with the surfboard hanging out the side of it. Bintang singlet. Yeah.
It's tan lines on the arms.
Yeah. You got in the cup holder that you've got a kombucha on the left and a bintang on the right. That kind of stuff. Yeah.
Like we said, Bali's for everyone. So.
Yeah.
Now we also have 10 $100 Luxury Escapes vouchers to give away as well. Now all you need to do is comment on our Facebook page and tell us what you love most about Bali. To Dan's point, there's really something for everyone. You've got so many different parts of Bali, whether it's the Kuta, Legian, Seminyak, Canggu. Head up to the mountains to Ubud. You've got the beautiful area of Uluwatu, where you've just got this crystal blue waters. And traditionally, a few years ago, probably 20 years ago, was a secret surfing haunt. But there are some amazing luxury kind of resorts that are popping up there too. But I think we should get into it. So we've got a few offers to talk about today. Emily, you've got a really exciting one we can talk about.
I do. I just went to Bali with my girlfriends. It was a 40th, mine.
Girls trip.
And yeah, Girls Gone Wild. It was Bintang Radlers all the way, actually. Yeah,
Were you
it was
staying
great.
in Seminyak?
Yes, I was in Seminyak.
Now,
and
did all of you girls go to Motel Mexico and get on the table at one point?
we did.
Yeah.
And it was great.
And then
it was
did you go to La
fantastic.
Favela after that and get on those tables?
Yeah, we did all of
Girls
that.
trip, classic
And
girls
then-
trip in Seminyak.
And then, classic girls trip, and then we went and had spas and facials and massages.
Great segue.
And I have never had so many pedicures in my life. It was amazing. But if I had known about this deal before I booked it, I would have booked this deal, because this deal is unbelievable. It's at the Alila Mangus, and this is seriously the most indulgent spa getaway you could possibly imagine. There's $2,000 worth of spa treatments. Like, that's just incredible. I think we worked out that'd be how many?
124 hand massage or
Minimum.
48 hours straight in spa treatments.
47.5
Okay, sorry.
will be realistic.
47.5.
Yeah, it is 47.5 of non-stop spa treatments, which is a hell of a lot over a 5-day break.
Sure is.
But this would be a fantastic holiday to get away with the girls, a baby moon.
$2,000 worth of spa treatments, and I think it's
It's
2,000.
5 nights for $2,000 too. So just for you guys that punters out there looking at the offer for Alila Mangus, it's located up the east coast of Bali. So heading up a little bit further north from Sanur. It's a beautiful kind of like secluded getaway where you can really be in touch with some of the Balinese culture. The resort's really captured some of, I guess, the most traditional values of the culture and kind of instilled that into the property. But at the same time, it's a 5-star resort with a beautiful, beautiful pool, and yeah, $2,000 worth of spa treatments, and that's just not massages. That's facials, body scrubs, yeah, kind of you name it.
And some dining experiences as well, Trent.
Of course, it wouldn't be a luxury escape without one, right?
Yeah. There's I think it's kind of from a dining perspective as well. There's a lot of beautiful, really refreshing, light meals, so it's kind of got that detox element.
Yeah.
And I know
Maybe
there's
great
yoga
for
thrown in.
Maybe great after a Seminyak girls getaway.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Throw
Throw it on at the end. Yeah, exactly. But yeah, it looks absolutely fantastic. We actually ran an article on it with one of our media partners, Vogue Living. So check out the Vogue Living travel section and you can read all about Alila Mangus. But I think it's having that collaboration there really gives it that stamp of approval too.
Yeah, exactly. And as I said, a little bit more secluded. So I guess the idea behind putting the offer together was that it's more of a rejuvenation package. The food and beverage there, it's got a real health element to it. So yeah, it's all about kind of wellness, relax, and rejuvenation. So yeah, it's a cracking offer.
So we're talking of indulgence. We've got a slightly different take on indulgence with an offer at the Conrad in Nusa Dua. So for anyone who knows the world of hotels, Hilton is a great brand, and Conrad is, I guess, what's seen as the premium brand of the Hilton Hotel Group. So Conrad Nusa Dua, we've got 6 nights. Daily breakfast, daily afternoon tea, canapes, cocktails, fine wines.
Yeah, I think the biggest thing here is it's club access. So this is all suite product. So what you might be used to in Bali is the deluxe rooms and having that big resort, where this is a real personalized kind of private part of the resort that's only using the suite rooms. So you've got your own restaurants, you've got your own pool, you've got access to the club lounge. And Conrad around the world, their ethos about what they supply during their club is normally premium products. So you'll have some fine wines there, you'll have some fine spirits, actual scotch and things like that. So yeah, you'll have daily canapes and 2 hours of free flow with any cocktails, beer, wine and spirits. So talk about indulgence, you're not wrong there, Dan.
And I also think, one thing about the suites as well too is it's bigger than your normal room, Trent. Would that be right?
Yeah, exactly. So we've actually got 2 kind of packages here. We've got one for the adult escape. So the offer's $2,000 for 6 nights, and it's for 2 adults, including club access, a Japanese dinner. You'll also have a massage in there as well. But we've also wanted to include a family option for this. So the suite rooms they're quite large. They're over 100 square meters as the smallest suite. And the best thing is it's actually got a separate living area. So you've got the option of a king bed or 2 queen beds, and you've got some sofas out in the lounge room that can be made up or put a rollaway in. So yeah, the separate living area certainly makes a bit of a difference.
It's a huge difference. That sort of room size is 2 to 3 times the normal hotel room. So that's fantastic. With all those inclusions, that extra space, it's somewhere you could go easily for 6, 8, 10 nights. I think.
Absolutely. And speaking about extra space, that segues us into another offer in Nusa Dua. Now this is one of those big palatial pool villas that's actually a 3-bedroom villa for up to 6 people. So we get a lot of comments on our social media that says you don't have anything for couples traveling or friends traveling or even I guess bigger families. This is the one for you. So it's 5 nights for $2,000. It's a 3-bedroom villa and you've got your own private pool. We've even included a barbecue seafood dinner.
Special Balinese barbecue experience, daily breakfast, airport transfers. And I think there's also a butler on hand to cater to every woman needs. So it's a really, again, continuing with the theme of indulgence, a really indulgent experience to kind of have that retreat away from home and have that amazing experience and I guess what's essentially your own residence for your time that you're there.
Yeah.
Exactly right. And Nusa Dua is just one of those flop and drop destinations. I mean, if you want to get away and you don't want the hustle and bustle, Nusa Dua is just for you. You've got a beautiful white beach there as well. Something that you can just put your feet up, relax, have a few cocktails, call upon the butler, and chill out.
I think having just done this type of holiday as a girls' retreat, it's absolutely perfect. So yeah, if you're looking for those types of, where you want to have your own space, this is definitely the type of holiday for you.
This particular type of holiday is something that we're seeing more requests from our members, and in turn we're delivering more from the Luxury Escapes side. So villas in Bali, everybody loves them. It's such a unique experience, so close to Australia. And if you look at the Luxury Escapes site at the moment, I think we've got 2, maybe 3 different options throughout Bali. Not just Nusa Dua, we've got something up in Ubud and something in Seminyak as well.
And Jimbaran too, I guess. When we're looking at kind of the different areas of Bali, as we said before, it's just so vastly different, which each destination provides something so unique about it. So Jimbaran, you've got the famous seafood market that you go down and choose your own fresh seafood, and they kind of cook it for you then and there. Jimbaran's probably got one of the most beautiful sunsets in the world. It's this real pink and orange sunset that everyone comes down for. Well, you go up to Ubud and it's just a magical place with the monkeys running around. You've just immersed in kind of forest and tradition and culture. So certainly a little bit different everywhere. And we do have some villas down in Uluwatu as well. Yeah, we've got another property called The Edge down in Uluwatu, which is a stunning property. Also features a really cool beach club
Famous
as well.
for celebrity weddings.
Yeah.
Pure indulgence, clifftop resort, absolutely stunning, very picturesque place.
Yeah, their spa, you
Yeah.
should see the spa rooms. They're actually, the spa beds are sitting in water and you're overlooking this cliff over in Uluwatu as well.
They have a unique dining experience there as well too. I think you can have dinner in a cave, is that
Yeah,
correct?
so it's still being built, but
Building a
yeah,
cave.
they got to dig it. They got
Dig the cave.
Speaking about Uluwatu,
OMG.
something that we really wanted to talk about and super exciting is tomorrow we'll be launching a grand opening special with the newly built Radisson Uluwatu. That is going to be 5 nights for $999 for 2 adults. Now, I've been to the property. It's absolutely fantastic. It's just one of those amazing properties that you just look and go, this is a cracking resort. You've got a huge pool, you've got bars, you've got restaurants, the rooms are huge. I think the smallest room there is 58 square meters and really deluxe amenities, and they've really taken the modern take of a hotel room and inserted it into a beautiful Balinese resort. So all of the electronics are all kind of up to scratch, and cracking place.
So great opportunity for those who are looking to experience a brand new product. Great 5-star brand, Radisson, and I guess Uluwatu on the cliff top, overlooking I guess a stunning ocean backdrop, and looks like another great escape from Luxury Escapes.
I mean, it wouldn't be a Luxury Escapes without some of the things that we've included. So we've got 3 dinners for 2 people. We've also got nightly sunset cocktails, and we've also included some massages and some transfers too. So we're getting a lot of feedback that people are still loving the transfer from the airport. So this is surely not one to miss out. But just reminding the audience, if you have any questions or comments, we do have 10 $100 vouchers to give away. Just tell us why you love Bali so much, or where you want to go next time, or give us any tips or tricks about some of your usual haunts in Bali.
I think also, just one last thing on Bali, we've also introduced a little Ali Insiders group on Facebook, if that would be correct, Em.
Yep. That's right. So if you're a member of Luxury Escapes Facebook page, you can check out our Bali Insider group, which is where we're really kind of talking about all of the great deals that we have in Bali. But it's also a really great community where Luxury Escapes customers can talk to you about their experiences, some of the great places that they've been to stay, and it's a really great peer-to-peer network where you can really kind of talk and plan your holiday, and knowing that there are actual recommendations from customers as well. We're not just saying it's great, our customers are saying it's great as well. So
one of the real beauties of Bali, that everyone has their own little secret spot.
Yeah.
So we're trying to share some of those secrets, so to speak, with our Luxury Escapes members.
yeah.
Absolutely. I mean, you can contact us on 1300 8899 or at luxuryescapes.com. If you have any questions, we do have a team that are available to help. I guess one of the best things about Luxury Escapes is we are so passionate about the destinations and the offers that we've got. We've been to all of the properties. If you have any questions, feel free to ask us. And I guess thanks everyone for their comments. We'll be in contact to notify the winners. But I just want to say terima kasih to everyone out there for tuning in. And looking forward to a great week of Bali holidays.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.